Hi, welcome to the channel, as they all say. This is a short video on removing the radio from a 2015 Ram 3500 with, it's a Laramie, so it's got the center console. Everybody's got a video on removing a radio, so I don't want to dwell on it too much. But let's hit the first things first. So there's a bottom in this top console. Everybody tells you, get in there, remove your two T20 Torx screws right there. Take those two out. That's a common thing. On the 3500 or a truck with a manual shifter, you are going to want to put it in neutral when you pull this out. So you'll have to put it in drive and start the engine and so on. This has a secret screw at the back of here, and again, that's a T20, so you want to get that out. Then you're like, what the heck, man, they all just yank it right out, and I can imagine you breaking them off. So the next thing you got to do when you have the console is, and I'm not sure you got to do this all, but here's a trim ring. The trim ring, you just carefully work it up around, and it gives you a good opportunity to clean under that trim ring on your console. Then there's this rubber cup, so you got to empty all your crap out, your keys to your kid's house or whatever. Okay, so then there's a secret place. You got two Phillips screws in there, and they attach this trim to that. Okay, we'll do this the quick millennial way with a screwdriver. Put the screws where you not lose them. Okay, so that takes that out of the way. This will just pull right off, so we'll let the truck start. Put this down out of the way. Grab this up here like they all do. And just send your screws flying. There. There. So this is not easy to do with one hand, having never done it before. So anyhow, that's how you get that out of the way. So the next thing you want to do to pull this out is, see that piece to support the wiring in there? You got to pull it out of that place it goes into right there. Just give that a little tug, and then you can have enough to get that out of your way. Then you can put this back in neutral, and you're able to remove your radio. Okay, I want to share something else with you folks. So in removing these, this white one came out easily just by pressing the release pin. The gray one came out pressing the release pin. You can see how it works. But this bugger, for whatever reason, I cannot press that and make it release. So what I did is I took this pair of pliers, I just grasped it a little bit tighter. And this one is probably going to be the same way, so I'm able to just use the pliers to grasp it and make it release. Yeah, I'm getting this out to send it in for repair for, I guess, the Sierra wireless card. I tried to update this and it wouldn't update, and I know there's a video on updating and using different thumb drives and FAT32 and all that stuff, but this is stuck in the boot loop or to start the process for updating, and I think I'll just send it off to Florida and let them fix it. Okay, folks, so here is my radio back. I believe it's been 9 or 10 calendar days. I think I got it out. So they would have gotten it on a Friday. I know they got it on Friday. They worked on it and they got it shipped last week. So yeah, let's see how it looks. So I sent it to them double boxed with several layers of foam. I use Priority Mail, and this is how it has come back to me. They use paper and they use foam, and that's it. Let's see. Well, I'm going to do this off camera. One hand. Okay, so there was quite a bit of foam around it. This is how it came back. It's interesting this has this on it because they were only doing repairs as necessary. I wonder if they threw a new screen on it. Or they just put, we'll see when we put it in. Let's go get it in the truck and see if it works. I got to show you this real quick. I was without a radio for a week and a half. So I took a trip yesterday. I was in the radio car all day. So
inmates return to their cells.
Yeah, I don't think that seal was on there. And again, security seal, void if tampered with or removed. Yeah, so I didn't know there was a warranty on the repair. Well, let's see what we got. Okay, I'll set it back down there like this. See if I see what reaches. These are all color coded. So I've got 4 out of 4. Looks like I'm going to need 2 hands to put them in. Okay, let's see how this goes without blocking the view. So we want yellow to go to yellow. And push a clip at the top. Black to go to black. And then push clip rotated to the top. White to go to white. There we go. With a push clip on the top and gray here. And we can put this plug in there. And we'll put well, that goes in down there. Okay, so that leaves one unoccupied. Okay. So there we go. Now we have the moment of truth. So we have Uconnect. We have heater coming on. Right. All right. Okay. I cannot tell if that's a new screen. Please enter the anti-theft code that came with it. Look at that. Drive to a road with a clear view of the sky. Well, it is incorrect because I'm actually, it shows a truck pointed north and I'm actually pointed south. But the calibration, it looks like it works. That's great. So I saved my fasteners right here. 3 Torx, 2 Phillip, and 4 hex. So I'm thinking the hex are what hold the radio in. We can shut it off for now. Let me go get my wrench. I gotta put that in a safe place in case the beast comes. Okay, I've got my Millennial driver. I want to put this back, this down here. For whatever reason. That's just crud cutter. So it just pops back down in there. That would be awesome. There. Get it back. Okay, let's go check out this calibration for the map. To calibrate, drive to a main road with a clear view of the sky. Well, it couldn't be closer, but let's get closer. So, we're coming around here. Yeah, I'm off. I'm actually off by a little bit here. Now it's got me pointed in the right direction. It's calibrated. If I put it in reverse, picture is great. I think this picture is better than I had, so it most likely is a new screen. On the navigation, let's go back to menu. Let's see if it's cleared. Let's see where to. Recent. It's probably all gone. Oh, it's all still there. Recent destinations are still in there. Let's go to the radio. Let's go. Let's see if Sirius will link up. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. I don't have to reconnect Sirius. Play the discs. I'm not even. Yeah, this looks like this is updated too. It's got the little indicator to show controls. It's got my heated seats. This is all new. This is all new here. Control everything. Wouldn't that be funny if my heated seats started working? No, see, it just goes off. I think I've got a short. Climate control. This is new too. It's a new display. Oh, we got the apps, the Uconnect apps in the center. So they must have updated this to the latest setting. Here's the app now settings. And we can go down. We'll go system information. Our software version is 184501, which I believe is the latest software. So yeah, we're up to date, and we're working with a new screen. So that's great. So yeah, that takes care of it. So we're back in business with a new radio, and again, my problems were
the nav didn't work and the clock didn't work. I tried to update it and it locked it into that reboot loop. If you ever try it, you'll know what I mean, but essentially it bricks the radio. There's probably some way out of it, but it kind of bricks the radio. And it's because of this Sierra wireless card. I'm happy. Infotainment.com took care of it. I paid the price on the website. I got a code for a little bit off, which was great. And honestly, I think it probably was a good price. I gasped at first, but honestly, they fixed my radio. It was a good price. So that's the way I do it. Thanks for watching.